Ahoy, Shipmates! It's another land-based activity today, Shipmates. We're up in Maccombe Down, about 10 miles southeast of Marlborough. Very popular area for crop circles. This is a new one. It's a very geometric-based crop circle, this one. More of a crop selection of triangles and rectangles than a crop circle. Now I'm looking at it a bit more closely. It does remind me awfully of a corporate logo. In fact, it reminds me of an automotive logo. Maybe it's one of these newfangled Chinese automotive manufacturers. Maybe it's Martian Benz, or perhaps Zeno Panda Motors. Cute, but definitely not from Earth, would be their tagline. Star Walk Dynamics. Cooking up intergalactic speed. I can see that on a window sticker. Abduction EVs. Beam yourself to work. That's the sort of transport I could do with. Hadroma rover. Now I'm looking at it from this angle. It does remind me of a 80s computer game. Those sort of sprite-based graphics. This circle, collection of squares and triangles, about 100 feet wide. Well, hope you enjoyed that one, Shipmates. A little bit different. Until next time.